Today, we are making a red lentil soup.
And it's gonna knock your socks off.
Hey, Nana, should we use the Instant Pot?
Yes! Yes! I know you guys love Instant Pot recipe videos, so we're gonna make this lentil soup with our Instant Pot, and you guys are going to absolutely love it. Here are all of the ingredients that we will be using today. First thing that we're gonna do, and I love fresh cilantro, so I'm using about this much, and I'm using the stems, and then I have separate cilantro to garnish the top. So we only need to rough chop these. So I'm just literally gonna cut off the ends. And I just got these carrots from the farmer's market, and I'm also leaving the skins on because they contain a prebiotic fiber that's really great for our gut bugs. Did you know that?
No.
We're gonna puree the first part of this soup. That's how we roll around here. So it doesn't really matter. We just don't want to throw them in like whole because that would be a mess. Same thing with this. I'm literally just doing this, like nothing fancy. Cilantro, if you don't like cilantro, you could skip it. You could use parsley. Great idea, Kelso. What I love about red lentils in particular is that when you cook them, they don't retain their shape. So they get very soft. They almost disappear, but they provide so much beneficial compounds for the body, including a high source of protein and also iron. I'm not looking for you to cut the finger off or something. How am I gonna bring you home? With a busted finger. Or no finger. That would be terrible. Always let a grown-up do the chopping, right? We're doing a home renovation. You guys have been with me for a while. I've been renovating the entire time we've known each other. Years. You've seen my previous kitchen if you've watched any of my newer, rather older videos. Okay, so this looks perfect. This is exactly what we want. And you can see, like, we're not going crazy with how much we're chopping them up. So now we're gonna get the Instant Pot set to saute. And friends, you're not gonna believe how easy this is. What do you say, buddy?
This is gonna be awesome.
We're gonna set the Instant Pot to saute.
Saute.
On high, very important. Oh, why are we up so high there? Let's get a little bit lower. And the other thing is I would just use all of one thing, and you can completely keep this vegetarian and use vegetable broth. I don't have any. So I'm actually gonna use beef bone broth and chicken bone broth. And I'm also gonna have to add a little bit of water because that's all I have. And friends, this is a forgiving recipe, so we're good.
I can't wait till this is gonna be done.
It's gonna be so good. We're also making some focaccia bread.
Focaccia bread?
Yes, yeah. Focaccia. If you missed the episode on focaccia, I will link it up in the cards and also in the description box below so you could watch it after this. I just, raw onion, I touched my lip. I don't recommend doing that. At least I didn't touch my eye, friend. Highly recommend making the focaccia. It's so good. So we're letting our Instant Pot heat up. This is the new Instant Pot Pro that I'm using, and what I like about it is that this actually has handles, so it can't twist around. So that's, to me, that's a huge win. When the Instant Pot is hot, we're gonna add in some olive oil. A great hack that I like to do is pick up the liner and kind of, twirl it around. That way oil coats everything. And we're gonna take our onions and just dump them in. Kelso is the best helper in the kitchen. How old are you?
9.
He's 9 years young. Oh, it's gonna be so good.
I don't know what
I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. We've never made this soup like this before. So there's a local restaurant called Samira. They have no idea I'm making this video. I love their red lentil soup. It's like an Afghanistan style restaurant. And it's my husband and I, our favorite, absolute favorite. So I am working on a copycat recipe. So it may or may not turn out. You'll have to stay to the end to see if it did.
I've never had this. I've only had their lamb.
How is that? Now go ahead and dump that in. Hold it up first like you like to do over here. Perfect. Let that do its thing.
Alright.
Yummy. Some of you are probably wondering, is the sauteing necessary? Yes. It adds such depth of flavor and it only takes a few minutes, and the Instant Pot has a saute mode. I say saute it, you do you, boo. Add in the cilantro, perfecto, dried spices. Okay. This is the moment of truth right here, my friends, because what we are looking for is, like, how does it smell? That's,
Let me smell it without burning myself. That's so good.
now we're gonna add in the tomatoes. Careful, lower it down so it doesn't splash. There you go.
It's so warm. How did my hand get wet? My hand got wet.
It did?
Yeah. You know how hot it was.
Oh, wow. It's gonna be really good, I can tell. Now we're gonna get some zest going. I'm a huge zest fan. It really brightens a dish. This is a huge lemon, so I'm not gonna use the zest from all of it. Although, if you go to my website, which I recommend doing, and print this recipe out, it's gonna tell you to use the zest from the whole lemon. The lemon is probably not as big as this. You do whatever floats.
Some of that stuff that's on the sides. I want to make sure every piece is like it's there.
Okay, so we're gonna do something really special. First, we're gonna press cancel on the Instant Pot because we don't need this cooking anymore right this second. And I'm looking here and I'm using my spoon to see is anything stuck, and it is not. You definitely want to deglaze the bottom. But before we put the lentils in, I'm going to show you guys a great hack. I did pick up a new immersion blender, and so far so good. This got really great reviews on Amazon. Can you plug this in for me? And I will link it below. Got it? Can I get a thumbs up for a solid effort? Although, just keep watching. So what I'm going to do, this is not blending the way I would like for it to blend. So,
I noticed that it was not really blending as much.
is this gonna work? What do you think? Clearly, this was not working out. Okay, we're gonna try something different.
Plan B. Mess up your blender.
Nope.
Like it won't stain anything?
Stain it?
Yeah.
This is a stainless steel Vitamix reservoir. I just got this recently and I love it. Careful, it's splashing.
Splashing.
Of course, now I'm like, why did I put so much liquid in? This was the right move. Save some time at home, friends, and just go straight for the blender. Man, I made a mess. That's what we're looking for. We're gonna put the red lentils.
I I wish I could do it.
Well, should have said so. It's too late.
Can I pour it in?
Yeah. Just be careful. It can splash. Don't squeeze it. Oh, that's what I... Inside.
Still sorry, Nana.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Are you listening to me?
I'm listening.
Sorry.
Okay.
Let me clean it up.
Okay, you clean it up.
It's my
Oh,
mess.
you got it in. That's fine. That's fine. Everything's okay, friends. Everything's okay. And we're gonna add 2 cups of water. If I was making this and I had all of the stuff, I wouldn't do any of this. I would use the same for all of it, if that makes sense. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. It does smell so much like that soup. Wonder if this is enough liquid. We're gonna go with it.
It's a lot, though.
Because I've never made this before. I did say that, didn't I? Make sure that this is set to sealing. And we're gonna set it on high pressure. I wonder how long we should do it. 7 minutes? Let's go 7 minutes. Remember I said we've never done this before. Now we're gonna perform a quick release. Well, I don't want to get it all over my camera. Drop it like it's hot.
Huh? Yep, it dropped. Oh!
Oh my goodness, I think I nailed it.
I better not get too close.
Oh my goodness.
Little bits of it. Oh my gosh. Oh, smell
I
that.
think I am actually going to blend some of it, because partially blend. We don't want to blend too much. Okay, that's what I want. I almost forgot to squeeze in the lemon juice. Friends, don't skip this step. It really brightens the dish. You guys have got to try this recipe. Head on over to my website so you can print it out for yourself. Be sure to come back here and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye, friends.